I discovered 15 websites offering simple remote work opportunities for earning money online. Among these, I found reputable platforms that have been verified for their credibility, as well as newer ones that might be unfamiliar to you but are intriguing. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Let's begin with the first one on the list, Testable Minds. This website allows individuals to earn money by participating in behavioral and psychological research studies. It's not only a chance to contribute to academic research, but also an opportunity to earn money for your participation. Reviews and reports from various sources confirm its legitimacy, although the earning potential is capped at around $50 per month. Despite the limitation, it's a consistent way to earn money online, earning it a score of 7 out of 10. Next up is CrowdTap, where you can earn money by participating in focus groups, surveys, and product testing. Many users have reported earning significant amounts through this platform, often in the form of gift cards. It's a well-established and reliable source of extra income, scoring an 8.5 out of 10. Another reliable option is Amazon's Mechanical Turk, mTurk, a platform for completing microtasks for businesses and individuals. While some tasks offer substantial earnings, others may not be as lucrative. With the right strategy and skill set, it's possible to earn a full-time income. However, selectivity is crucial due to varying pay rates. Overall, mTurk scores a 9 out of 10 for its potential. Next on the list is another reputable option, Prolific. This platform offers compensation for participating in academic surveys and studies, functioning as a virtual research lab where your insights are valuable contributions. With a strong reputation online, many users have shared their success stories on platforms like Reddit, reporting earnings ranging from $6 to $12 per hour. Realistically, you could earn around $200 a month without dedicating extensive time to it. Considering its consistency and earnings potential, Prolific receives an 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Moving on, Swagbucks is an online rewards platform where various activities like surveys, shopping, and playing games translate into cash or gift cards. With over $565 million paid out in rewards, it's a reliable option for earning extra income. Many users have reported earning over $100 a month, making it a worthwhile endeavor for supplementary income. Swagbucks earns an 8 out of 10 opportunity score for its accessibility and earnings potential. SurveySavvy offers a straightforward way to earn money online by participating in surveys. While some users claim to earn $10 to $15 per hour, most report lower earnings. Nevertheless, it's a viable option for making extra cash during idle moments. Given its usability and moderate earning potential, SurveySavvy receives a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Brand B allows you to earn money through surveys and sharing device usage data, often rewarded with gift cards or cashback rewards. While payouts are relatively low and opportunities might be limited, it's a legitimate option for earning some extra income, albeit not significant amounts. Brand B earns a 5.5 out of 10 opportunity score for its genuine but modest earning potential. Next up is GG2U, where you can earn money for activities like gaming, taking surveys, and watching videos. This platform has received numerous positive ratings online, with many users confirming actual payouts. The payouts are relatively high, and there's even an option to receive payment in Bitcoin. While activities like gaming and watching videos may offer lower payouts, ranging from $1 to $4 per hour, it's still a fun and easy way to earn. GG2U earns a 7 out of 10 opportunity score for its accessibility and varied earning methods. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Moving on to open class actions, this platform allows individuals to participate in open class action lawsuits, providing information on settlements and facilitating claims. While some Reddit users have reported making some money from these lawsuits, the earnings are typically modest, ranging from $20 to $100. The potential for significant earnings varies depending on the lawsuit. With limited earning opportunities, Open Class Actions earns a 6.5 out of 10 opportunity score. YouGov is an international market research platform where users are rewarded for sharing their opinions through surveys. While every opinion counts, the earnings potential is somewhat limited, with most users reporting monthly earnings between $5 and $20. Due to the modest earning opportunities, YouGov receives a 6.5 out of 10 opportunity score as well. Next up is Connect by Cloud Research, an online survey platform that offers cash for participating in various research projects, from user testing to opinion polls. Founded by academics, it's geared towards research purposes. While there aren't many reports of individuals making substantial sums, opportunities do arise, offering an easy way to earn money. With an hourly earning potential of over $20 reported by some users, Connect earns a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score for its accessibility and decent earning potential. Fetch Rewards is a mobile app that rewards users with points for scanning shopping receipts, which can be redeemed for gift cards, merchandise, or donations. While it's convenient to use, the earning caps are relatively low, with users likely to make around $25 per year by solely scanning their own receipts. However, earning potential increases if you scan receipts from friends as well. Fetch Rewards receives a 6.5 out of 10 opportunity score for its simplicity and modest earning potential. Similarly, ReceiptPal operates on the same premise. Users earn money by uploading pictures of their receipts. While it may yield slightly higher earnings compared to Fetch Rewards, it's still in the range of around $50 per year for scanning all your receipts. More earnings can be obtained by scanning receipts from friends and family. ReceiptPal earns a 7 out of 10 opportunity score for its ease of use and potential for additional income. Next on the list is Volcno, a platform where users get paid to watch videos and provide feedback on movies, TV shows, and games. By earning Flow Points, users can redeem them for gift cards. While the earnings may not be substantial, there are many positive reviews online, highlighting the opportunity to earn money for activities you'd likely do anyway, such as watching movies. Typically, users can expect to earn around $10 a month. Volcno receives a 6 out of 10 opportunity score for its user-friendly approach to earning money. Last on the list is InstaGC, an app that rewards users for various activities, including watching videos and taking surveys. While it's known for paying out, the payouts are relatively low, averaging around $1 to $2 per hour. For its low earning potential, InstaGC earns a 5 out of 10 opportunity score. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.